Hey y'all, what's up? This is the natural time bomb, and I really just want to make a real quick video. Happy birthday to me. Your girl is 24. You counted right. Kobe year, right? Yeah, the purpose of this video is to show you how to maintain your curls. Right here, how to maintain your curls. So basically, y'all, I was trying to say how to maintain your curls while your hair is in a ponytail. In this video, I'm just going to be showing you the steps and the products that I use to keep my deep wave hair nice and curly and fresh looking. So first, I'm going to take my hair insurance leave-in conditioner. It is by Aussie. I do use a lot of Aussie products on this deep wave hair and my own natural hair because it just works great for my hair basically. After I spread throughout, get it nice and damp, not wet, but not not using enough product, but I use just enough, and I'm spraying it all throughout the hair. And after that, I'm going to comb it. So now I'm just basically running this paddle brush through my hair, and I'm just making sure I get all the knots, all the kinks, all the curls, just basically running it through so that the product gets into the hair. Okay, and as y'all can see, this is the hair texture of the hair after I do that. So I'm going to add this Creme of Nature curl repair leave-in too on top of that. And when I tell y'all, these two in a combo, they work great. Yeah, that little dot of product is not gonna do crap, but I like to put my product in like a little bit at a time just to make sure I don't put too much in my hair, because I know with weave you never know how it how it holds up just to a little to a lot of product. So I just go in little by little, adding product just to see how my hair does with it. Alright, so boom. So I'm using Eco Styler, and this is the curl and wave gel. So basically, again, like I did with the Creme of Nature leave-in conditioner, I'm taking little by little so I don't gunk up my hair. And basically, I'm just rubbing it in. And as y'all can see, these curls are popping 10. Like, come through. And I didn't even do that much. But yeah, then I take a little bit more, my hair insurance leave-in by Aussie, spray that guy down, and basically I'm going to brush through that one more time because I'm actually going to braid my hair. Yeah, like come through, like look at the curls. You feel me? Like, look at the curls. Look at the curls. Look at the definition. But anyway, so I'm gonna curl through this again. Sorry, I'm gonna brush through this again, and basically I'm going to braid my hair. Okay, so this is the next morning, and all I did was tie 2 bobby pins to the end of my ponytail, of my braid to be exact, to keep it down. And ignore my dog, he looks real crazy. To take my hair down, I'm using sweet almond oil. I always like to use some type of oil to take my hair down to release and reduce the frizz. So yeah, I think it turned out pretty good. Yeah, I think it turned out very, very pretty. Very even, very uniform. And I only did this like one time out of the week. Like I don't do it every single day, but you can opt not to braid your hair. I just chose to braid my hair because I felt like it. But you can totally, just keep and use all these products for your ponytail. And yeah, y'all, this is the end of the video. I appreciate y'all coming out, watching my video, showing support, showing mad love. Make sure you guys follow me on Instagram at c.diddy1. Again on Instagram. And yeah, spending natural time bomb. Make sure y'all come back for new videos, and I will see y'all next time. Bye.